Good morning, guys! I don't know if it's a good morning. We don't have electricity. It's brown out. Yeah, and the thing is...
Mommy, place it here.
Okay, what are you doing?
Clean
Yeah, you clean what you mess.
the paint what me and...
Yeah, those are the paints.
Playmate.
Oh, they're repairing it actually. Oh.
Yeah, I gotta spray them. Dad.
Ayan. So actually yesterday we we sliced our lemon and dragon fruit, and now they are on the dry dehydrator. So let's check them. Usually this
There's
is
a
the
fire
problem.
here.
This is the problem when we have a power outage without any warning. So there was no NGCP warning yesterday, so it was just a temporary outage, I guess. Yeah, parang may transformer kasi na pumutok kaninang umaga. So ayun, nire-repair nila kanina. Meron naman ng mga nag-respond. Ayan. So the problem is yung ating mga nalagay na sa dehydrator. Ayan, malamig na yung dehydrator. So I'll give it like some few minutes. Tignan ko kung hindi pa babalik yung electricity. I'm gonna put this in a yung mga vacuum pouch or yung mylar bag para pag hindi pa, halimbawa matagal na darating yung electricity, ilagay mo na siya sa ref. Yun. Para hindi siya hindi pumunta yung mga flies or something ganun. Kasi nag-a-attract pa siya ng mga flies kasi may mga fresh elements pa siya dito. Ayun. So, yun yung gagawin ko in a few minutes. And then, ibabalik ulit natin pagdating ng pagdating ng ilaw. Yun. So, that's the life of dehydrating. Wala pa kaming generator and yeah, soon let's have that, I guess. Kasi kapag pag halimbawa puno yung dehydrator mo tapos walang ilaw, my God. That's so scary. Yan. Ganyan pa lang yung itsura nila. Di pa sila, kasi mga around, mga hapon sila nalagay sa dehydrator. Well, let's get back to you later. Ayan. Ito yung mga dragon fruit natin and lemon sa taas.